Hi, this is Dave with another short video about AI and this time an Agile product backlog. So we're going to find out if we can use it to help you, your teams, your organizations with better ways of working. Now, before I get into this, just a quick disclaimer. If you're going to use this for your day job, please check with your client, your employer about uploading using AI in general. I'm using this to try stuff out. I'm not using anything proprietary. I'm going out to public domain and grabbing that stuff. But please check on your own. So on the screen, I have Perplexity. I have a pro account. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking to see if I can use AI to help me with product discovery, specifically user story map. If you don't know what a user story map is, don't want to go over it in detail here, but it's basically a visual way to represent a product backlog. I encourage you to search on Jeff Patton and user story mapping. Lots of great resources out there. But what you have on the screen is my attempt of using Perplexity to get that going. So what I have here is I have a question. My prompt is, can I use AI to convert a user story map to a backlog? And there are options I'm finding that you can use AI to generate the user story map. I'm not going to go there. Here's my reason. User story maps are opportunities for collaboration with your stakeholders, with your users. You should build these together. They should not be done in a vacuum. You shouldn't have AI just generate a user story map. So I'm not going to go there. But if I've had my event, if I've had my users and stakeholders together, and I've built this visual representation of the product backlog, can I get AI to save me a lot of time to put it in whatever product backlog management tool you use? And so the answer is yes. So what I did was I actually gave it an image. This is a user story map. And for those of you on the podcast, I'll try to describe this visually. But you see a bunch of yellow sticky notes on a board. That represents the product. And those are the things the product is going to have to do to get the user to accomplish their goal. Taking that, I'm now going to upload that. So again, this is a public image. I uploaded that and I said, can you create the user stories? If you look at the sticky notes, they're just a couple of words on a card. They're not even written in user stories. But what I've done is I've asked it, can you convert each one of those yellow sticky notes into a story? And it did. So as I'm scrolling here, for example, as a user, I want to complete my room booking by entering my payment details so that I can confirm my reservation. So not bad. Now, of course, we want other things in our product backlog, like acceptance criteria and maybe estimation. But for a start, especially if I have a user story map with hundreds, and that's completely possible as well. If I have triple digit number of sticky notes, this could save me a lot of time to convert those to user stories. And then my next step is, could I actually take this and create a file that then I can import into my product backlog management tool of choice? In this case, I'm using Jira, and yes, it did. So as you can see here, it's a text that I can copy. I can paste it into a spreadsheet. And then from there, I can upload it into Asana, Jira, what have you. So there you have it. Can you use AI to help with the menial task of taking your discovery activity and then shaving lots of time? I would say yes. But again, my disclaimer from the beginning, be careful, check with your employer or client, etc. So more to come. Did you like this tip? Do you want to see more? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.